Hello, we're just gonna read something from my mystical book. This is my journal. Let's just open any page. And this is the art of storytelling. If you are an artist, if you are an actor, or you work with your throat chakra, this is exactly for you. I am honest about what I say and I deliver it on my videos by amping it up, amplifying it for entertainment. This is the secret I just revealed to you. That actually this is all acting, but also it's the law of a generator. You know, everything has to be amplified, especially here on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, like on any social media. Because firstly, we are the carrier of the knowledge, yes, of wisdom, of information, and the best way to share it with someone is through your voices, through very sounds. I design my mind. I notice, I feel how my patterns shift to more and more complex design. Honestly, this is so vulnerable because everything I have everything I have here is special. It's my inner world. And why am I doing this video? I don't know. I just look gorgeous. In our school, I was studying interior design, and now it makes so much sense because I designed my mind. Now I'm like, I know why I chose that profession. I am not interior designer now. As you can see, I'm just gorgeous, sharing my wisdom. I am a healer, a speaker. I am everything about the mysteries. What it means to design your mind. In the profession, you should know where to put all the tables, all the stuff. And the most important part, don't block the windows with something huge because we need some light. It's dark now. Don't block the windows, don't block the doors, so you can easily and freely walk in your room, in your space. The same in your mind. Don't block the portals, the state of flow. Otherwise, you won't receive the sun, you won't receive the light, you won't see the darkness. Everything will be uncomfortable. You will be like, I'm in my mind, in my head, in my space, but I just don't feel it. It's like it's not me, something is blocking. Blockages. If you block one of your doors, one of your windows, then how are you going to receive? To receive everything. This is your feminine side, this is your moon, this is your darkness. How are we going to receive everything that the universe is suggesting you? Because when you are aligned in your mind, in your body, the universe is like, we are giving it to you. Take it. This is for you. You wanted it, and we give it to you. All the colors, receive it. But then it's very dark. You have curtains. What is curtains? You have this thing, and it's like you protect yourself from the world. It's like, hello, can you see me? I'm trying to reach my goal. I'm trying to reach a new level. And the mind is not evolving. The mindset also is on a negative vibration. But we want to rise like a phoenix, you see? Like a phoenix. We want to fly and enjoy and be free and liberate. This is the state of a bird. This is how we see them. Maybe they think that, oh, humans, they're so free, they go. Ask a bird what they think about you. Yeah, don't block the windows, don't block your portals, don't block yourself. Allow every part of you to be expressed. Your vagina, your penis, your anal, to be expressed, to be to receive some love. We receive love. We can receive love through anything, through the skin, through the ears, music, yeah, what we watch, what we hear, through the eyes, through the mouth, through the smell, through the anal sex. Yes, I love it. Receive love and look at the world through the eyes of love. This is what I'm saying to you, and I am flying like a phoenix. And I'm sending you all my love. I love you so much. Be a designer of your mind, of your life. A good designer. Experiment. Don't be scared to take a risk. Love yourself, love your mind, love your body. Mwah.